Hi everyone! This video is for you if you want to connect your existing Namecheap domain name to your website built with the website.com site builder, and you prefer to use Namecheap or another email provider for your domain email. So if you're subscribed to a paid website.com plan and you have a domain registered with Namecheap, you can follow this tutorial to find out how to change the A record and C name for your DNS settings. In this video, I already have my domain registered with Namecheap and I'll log in. You may need to enter a verification code by checking your email address, so just check that email and then enter the code here. So now we're on the dashboard and we're going to click Domain List on the left right here. So now look for the domain name you want to point over to use with your website.com website. And then click Manage. Once we're here, we can click the Advanced DNS tab. So if you see any A records here, you can remove them. If you don't see any, we can go ahead and add new record. So we're going to choose to add an A record. For host, enter the @ symbol. Now you'll need to find out the IP address that you need to add in this field. You can contact our support and let them know you want to point the A record to the website builder so that you can keep your current MX record and keep your email with another provider. They'll let you know the IP address for your specific account, and once you have that, enter it here. And TTL stands for time to live. We're going to keep it at automatic. It's up to you if you want the propagation to happen faster, but we'll keep it as is. Click the check mark when you're done with that. So we've saved that and we're going to add a new record. This time look for CNAME record. Under host, enter www. For the target value, you can enter your domain name. So you can format it without www, http, etc. in front of it. Just enter your domain name with the extension. So for example, mine will be domaincontrol102.com. Again, I'll leave the time to live to automatic and then click the check mark. So that's it. After this, it may take up to 24 hours for changes to take effect, and if you don't see the changes after 24 hours, make sure you clear your browser history before you try again. We hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.